So I heard it's supposed to snow today. Does anybody know when that's going to start? Because I don't know, it seems just fine here right now. I mean, I can see like 50 feet or something. Wind's not blowing too bad. I don't know why everybody's all scared. It's not that cold out. My hand's only turning red after about 2 minutes. It's not a big deal. You know, it's beautiful out here. It's lovely. It's nice. Just another day on the prairie out here. Just a nice day. Nothing to worry about. I don't know. I think it's fine. I don't think the heavy stuff will come in for quite some time. I think we'll be okay. We can play through this.